right, here we are back in action on Joey's 289 out of his 65 Mustang. We covered bearing clearances yesterday, and we just kind of took a quick peek at the cam from the bottom side. So what I'm doing today is I already got the valve covers off and all the intake manifold bolts loose. Well, out, actually. I'm going to pull the rocker arms off and the push rods. And then we're going to pull a manifold. And we are going to take our camshaft out after we pull the lifters because we need to inspect everything. All right, got our intake manifold off. I've already noticed something odd about cylinder number 4 exhaust. Why is it so rusty, crusty, gross? That's interesting. So, I'm gonna get all the rockers off, get them in my handy dandy tray. All right, the rockers are all off, along with the rocker balls and the rocker nuts, obviously. Push rods are all out. Everything is in order as it came out. And I'm going to now start pulling lifters.